Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to adjust image transparency in Google Docs. Friends, if you want to make your image little transparent, then you simply need to right click on the image. Now here you need to click on image options. Now in image options, you need to click on adjustments. Now here you will find option opacity, which is on 100%. So by dragging it down, you can increase the transparency level. Like in 69%, my image will look like this. So like this you can very easily play around and do the further adjustments as per your requirement. So friends, like this you can very easily adjust image transparency in Google Docs. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.